tiger, salamanders. And snapping turtle. Tadpoles.
We don't have a tadpole right now.
Oh.
It takes a little while. So hopefully we'll get one.
What about the frog?
Yep, we've got
Oh,
American toad frog, and we've got a wood frog in the back there.
Wow.
So here's American toad frog, or sorry, the green frog, American toad, and the wood frog back there.
Thank you. So what does your owl eat?
Mice.
Oh, mice?
We have to feed them every night.
That's cool. Green frog, American toad, wood frog, like that. What's in here? Turtle. Oh, look at that. See it? Is that real? See that snake?
No, that snake isn't real.
Oh. It's supposed to be like turtles or something in here. Oh, look, there.
Yeah, there's one. There's another one's right there.
Where?
In the water, see its shell?
The owl is
Right
back,
there.
though. That looks like a rock.
In front of the rock, that's its shell. That's a turtle shell.
Looks like a rock, though. The owl is back. Oh, there's one. Crawling. Did you see the owl? It makes a noise. Like, crawl.
The owl?
Yeah, they brought it back.
No, I didn't see it.
It's back. Don't be startled. Wood turtle. Painted turtle. And snake.
Well, they were 97 degrees.
Snake and turtle. so cool. That snake's moving. Look, there's more snakes over here on the bottom. You. Or a red snake.
There it is.
And there it is, the garter snake.